Hello everyone. Today we will see the some setting of a Creo sketch toolbar and graphics tools bar. What is the graphics tools bar? It's a very important in every models in when you will draw any object, any sketch. This is the graphics toolbar. The graphics tools bar at the top of the graphics area control how the model appears in the graphics area. Here are the different refit. What is the use of refit and definition of refit and use of refit? Refit your model so if it is fully visible on the screen. It is used to refit and reset your model. Zoom in. Zoom in on the model in the selected result window. This is the zoom in. Okay. And zoom out from the model in the selected result window. Zoom out. This is the zoom out. Okay, this will be the zoom out. Okay. And repaints a view to remove all the temporarily display information. Repainting redraw the screen. And shape orientation. What is the shape orientation? Okay, there is a different types of orientation. Shape orientation basically use the reposition your model to the orientation of the shape view that you select format list. And default 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 view. Okay, default set the view to the default orientation. This is the default orientation. The 6 orientation: back, okay, bottom, front, isometric, left, right. Okay. And show the annotation. Turn on the annotation of the display of annotation on the model in the respect result window. Okay, very important. This is the this command, spine center. I will brief explanation in this tutorials. First you will see in theory, then in this tutorial I will explain one by one. Okay. Spine center. What is a spine center? Orient the model by the spining it about the specific location. It means say that the default orientation of a model in the result window in the trimetric with the spine control about the center of the model. Use this view. Use this view. Rotate the model about the center or the user defined location. Creo simulation display the spine center a symbol. This is the spine center symbol in a many interviewer ask and discuss about the center of the model user defined location and allow you spine the model in a various way. Okay. And then the second views spine center command on the view tab. Okay, see this and apply. This is the zoom fit. Okay, this is the zoom fit, and then zoom this area this way. This way you will zoom this. Okay, here. If you want here, if you this way, and then okay, refit. This is the refit, zoom in and zoom out. Okay, this way, and then refit, zoom out here this way. They are very important, so listen carefully. Okay, and then the view, side edge view this way, front, okay, right, here different view, back, and standard orientation. Okay, this way. And then the display the hide the plane. Okay, deselect all. This way you will. And okay, this is the spine center. Your model will be rotate and this way you will rotate. So all the, and then this way refine, update. Okay, this way you will represent your all the view. This refit, zoom in, zoom out, repaint, display inside, all the feature, shading with edge, shading with reflections, shading, no hidden lines, and wireframe. This is the all interview basic question. So remember carefully, all the interviewer ask frequently in a interview. Okay, so and then the datum display filter, all the are the filter. Okay, axis display, point display, CSY display, plane display. Okay, this is the annotation display. So this way. Okay, if you remove this way, all axis, click, and then if you want to remove the dimension, here plane, axis, all are hidden here. Then this way you will represent your model. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video in a CAD CAM learning tutorials. Okay.